Hi everybody, so let's do this live project in which I want to do something new with just live without trying and anything except live. And so I want to do a Anvil presentation. So I want to do a presentation in Anvil. So I will put this project here. I will call it anvpress.py, and I will not cut anything. And okay, so but I don't need any file. I just have to go into Anvil and so Anvil works, start building, and there we go. I want to create a new project, and there we go. The new editor beta. I think something has changed. I don't know. It changed on Anvil, but let's go with the old version of the forms. And now what I want to do is a presentation, and so let me drop something here that I will call presentation. So I will need a title here, and this is label. Oh, look at this properties. And test user cannot edit text in a label. Okay, this is spacing above, etc. Show. Okay, and so this one would be the. I don't know if I can change the name. I want to call it label title. Okay, this one what is called this one? Presentation. And the name of this will be label caption. Okay, label caption and label table. The text here will be title 1, let's say so. Then we're gonna have a title and a content and maybe also an image. For the moment we'll just have a text box or even a rich text. So this will be my rich text content. Okay, now that we've done this, we wanted to go into code, and this is, I want to create a dictionary called the slides equal, and I want to use a dictionary where we have something like slide 1 that will have some content like the title. There is my title, let's say so, and this is the content of slide 1. So what we're gonna do is that when we charge this, we want to see into this, or let's say when we start, let's put the button here, button start, text start, and here I want to self label title equal slides slide 1 and 0, I think. Okay, okay, let's see if it works. Because let's give this one a name of presentation. Anvil press. Present Anvil press. Okay, rename it. So label title and form. There is already a component with this name. Let me go. Self label title dot text. I think text. I think it could be. It's this a point or a comma. Okay. If I can. Okay, make it bigger. Let's run it again. Where is it? There it is. Oh, this works. So I think we are almost at it. How can I stop it? So now what we want to do is to make a counter here. So each time that I click here, this goes on. So let's put a comma here. Don't know if I can duplicate this like in a copy this and copy and paste. Call this slide 2, my title 2. This is the content slide 2. So this also would be self label tab label, no, not label, but rich text content dot text equal to slide 1. Okay, run. Okay, that we don't see text equal. Maybe it's content and not text. Okay, my title, this is content slide 1. Okay, so this is how you can build it. But if you want to change the, let's put a counter here, slide counter equal 0. So you're gonna put here slide counter slide okay, not slide counter, but I need to for sliding let me use a list of lists so that I can make it easier. Okay, so instead of a dictionary, I'm going to use a list of lists. And so slide count 0 and I think 1. This should work maybe. Let's run it. Because I forgot to do slide cnt if slide count less than len of slides less 1, then slash count plus equal 1, else slide count equal 0, so it goes back. Let's run it. Slide count if slide count, why it isn't working like here? Okay, but global slide count. Let's go back to run. 1 2 1 2. So now it goes through all the. Okay, now I created our little system to go into this thing, and if we want to make it also even easier, we could do something using multiline string. So to avoid all this stuff and make it maybe more readable, etc., we can go like this. Let me see if I can do it. And so leaving all this stuff, and so that we have more clear here with the content, etc. We must now convert this to a list like the one we had before, so we can do this doing this slides equal slides dot split by the double break line, next line, the double next line. So we create 2 of these, and yes, now for slide in slides, so for each line, because we will do, let me do where is the okay, for slides in slides, we want to do that let's see if it works this way. Okay, seems to work. So now it's easier to write my slides like this. For example, third title, and you see how it is easy. And let's get back. Let's go back to slide 1 after you press start. Okay. You are in the first slide. So just to make it more. Okay. And we can also go into design here, and right here, for instead of this, press start. Okay, run. You see press start, and so I press start in the first slide, the second, the third, the end one, and you go back to the first one. So we have created our presentation program in Python in the web using this. So you know that you can, if you want to publish this, where is the, so run this, publish this app. So share with private link. Anyone can with private link can see your app. Only those with a private link to use your app. And to generate a new private link, press reset link. Share public link shows an alias, a custom domain for your app. So maybe let's copy this. It's private, and for the moment, embed my app in a web page. Okay, I can embed this one in a web page. This is cool. And let me do it because I want to use it on one of my sites, but I will do this one later. So for the moment, let me copy this, let me go into this and see if this one runs just for people that has this file. Okay, I like this, and maybe let me generate a code here I want to see on my mobile phone, how it looks like. So when just getting the barcode, the QR code, and let me see how does it appears, and if it works eventually, even on my mobile phones, because we want to use it. Okay, press start. Yeah, okay, my title. Oh, I think it's cool because, you know, this is the fastest and easiest way to make presentation. You can make your own one without using any program, passing your links, making even private or public, and I think this is very effective and nice. In another video we will see how to also use images for this, maybe taken from the internet. I will see how to do it, and so I'm happy that I have done this without any preparation, just with an idea in mind that I could do that. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and maybe leave also a comment to say if you want to see some other programs, what you want me to share with you, with code with Python or even other languages, who knows. I know a little bit of JavaScript, HTML, and also I want to learn some other languages like Rust, for example, etc. I do many video tutorials about Pygame. Let me know. See you next time, and for the moment, have a nice day, and see you soon.